Lead and Play, Best in Makabayan, and third honors. Gabriel B. Estropigan. Let's all give them a round of applause.
Best in English, Performing Arts Excellence Awards, second honors goes to Niña May C. Alcaraz.
Wala na kami masagal. Let's go.
And last, most active, most obedient, best in Filipino, best in mathematics, and first honors. Desiree P. Pancho. Let's all give them a round of applause. Sa lahat po na nagkamit ng karangalan mula sa grade 5, lubos puso kaming bumabati sa inyo.